Welcome back to another episode of Critus Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we're diving deep into one of the hottest topics in the world of industrial maintenance, innovations in facility management software. What should we be expecting next? And how are emerging technologies like IoT, AI, and machine learning shaping the future of facility management? I'm thrilled to be joined by Alex, a true expert in maintenance management and IoT. He's been working at the intersection of technology and industrial efficiency for years. Alex, thanks for being here.
It's my pleasure, Bruce. Excited to discuss how facility management software is evolving and what's on the horizon.
So to kick things off, facility management software has come a long way, right? We've seen things like computerized maintenance management systems, CMMS, becoming more integrated into day-to-day operations. But where are we right now, Alex? What's the current state of the field?
That's a great starting point, Bruce. Right now, CMMS platforms are pretty robust. They help businesses manage maintenance, track assets, schedule work orders, and even handle preventive maintenance. But the real innovation is happening in how these systems are integrating with other technologies, particularly IoT. With IoT sensors embedded in machines, we're seeing real-time data collection and predictive maintenance capabilities come to life. This means that machines are now talking to the software directly, telling us when they need attention before they break down. That's a game changer.
So instead of reacting to failures, we're now proactively preventing them?
Exactly. We're shifting from a reactive to a predictive approach. And what's really exciting is that thanks to machine learning, the more data these systems gather, the smarter they become. They can learn to predict failure patterns with greater accuracy over time.
That's incredible. So it's almost like the system learns and gets better at predicting issues the longer it runs?
Exactly. The more data it processes, the better the predictions. And now, with AI-driven analytics, maintenance managers don't have to sift through raw data manually. Instead, they get actionable insights in real time, which helps them make informed decisions faster.
You mentioned machine learning there. It's been a buzzword for a while, but how is it actually changing the way we approach maintenance management?
AI and machine learning are really driving the future of facility management software. Let me give you an example. Imagine a plant where every piece of equipment is connected to the cloud. Through machine learning algorithms, the system can analyze historical data and identify subtle patterns or behaviors that human operators might miss. Over time, it can predict failures more accurately, maybe even down to the hour or minute. This reduces downtime significantly, which in turn boosts productivity and cuts costs.
So it's almost like the system learns and gets better at predicting issues the longer it runs.
Absolutely. The more data it processes, the better it gets. And now, with AI-driven analytics, maintenance managers don't have to dig through massive amounts of raw data anymore. Instead, the system highlights the most critical information, allowing for faster decision-making.
It's fascinating. Now, you mentioned Industry 4 earlier. It's a term we hear a lot these days. How does it fit into the world of facility management software?
Industry 4 is all about smart factories, and facility management software is a key part of this transformation. The integration of IoT into maintenance management is a direct result of Industry 4 principles. Every piece of equipment, from HVAC systems to manufacturing machinery, can be connected to the internet, collecting real-time data and sending it to centralized systems. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Automated monitoring, automated repairs, and even remote troubleshooting. Imagine having a technician in another country diagnosing and fixing an issue on your production line without ever leaving their desk.
So the smart factory we've been hearing about is really becoming a reality.
Absolutely. Machines are getting smarter, software is becoming more intuitive, and the way we manage our facilities is becoming far more efficient. It's a win-win for everyone involved, maintenance managers, engineers, and business owners alike.
So with all this innovation, what can we expect next in the evolution of facility management software?
The next big thing is fully autonomous systems. I see a future where routine tasks like lubrication, cleaning, or basic troubleshooting are fully automated, with machines repairing themselves or notifying managers when they need a specific part replaced. This could lead to virtually zero unplanned downtime. Another exciting trend is AI assistants. These systems will be able to help make decisions, offer insights, and even send automated work orders based on predictive analytics. This will make the role of the maintenance manager less about daily tasks and more about high-level decision-making and strategic improvements.
So we're looking at a much more hands-off, automated future in facility management.
That's right. The role of the maintenance manager is evolving from overseeing day-to-day tasks to focusing on strategic decisions. With these innovations, their job will become more about driving improvements and optimizing processes, which is exciting for everyone involved.
Alex, thank you so much for sharing your insights today. It's clear that the future of facility management software is incredibly bright with IoT, AI, and automation leading the way.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. It's been a pleasure discussing these exciting advancements.
And thank you to all our listeners for tuning in. If you found today's episode helpful, be sure to subscribe and share it with others in the industry. We've got plenty more insights coming your way. Until next time, stay innovative and keep your facilities running smoothly.